Some of the members of our family are lactose intolerant, and you have options. And they range in price from $2.20 to over $5, depending on where you get it. Since we're going to be making some ice cream soon, and I want to have a lactose-free option, I figured I would try these out and see which one is the best. This has 50% more protein. What's that mean? Regular milk, a serving has 8 grams of protein. This has 13. This is heavily processed. It is also incredibly popular. People use almond milk. It only has like a gram of protein in it. These have 8. This has 13. 50% more protein. But is it really worth the price? So here's the range of price in these options for lactose-free. Almond milk, $2.20. You can pay a lot more money for almond milk at different stores. These are all 2%. Wanted to make a fair comparison. $2.50 here, $3.75 here, and over $5. So let's give it a taste. First, the almond milk. Does it taste like milk? No. Is it pretty close? Not too bad. So here is the lactose-free Aldie milk. Much sweeter. You can taste the fat. It is a much different, richer experience than the almond milk. Let's taste this one. Okay, nearly, if not identical. These two milks are pretty much identical. And the more I taste these, the more I see I'm missing on the almond milk. It just tastes watery, and it's just not much there. Now let's taste the ultra expensive $5. Oh, by the way, not only is it $5, but they haven't even given you a half gallon. These are all 64 ounces, and you're paying more and you're getting less. 52 ounces. They're ripping you off by 10 ounces, even though they make it look like it's fairly close in size. Let's give it a taste. There's something missing there. It doesn't taste as rich, even though it's 2%, to this one and this one. It's got a little sweet taste to it. Oh yeah. Yeah. So the verdict, don't waste your money on this. This is too watery. If you're looking for lactose-free, these are the winners. And it's a virtual tie. Too watery, but slightly better than this one. A lot of people make ice cream, especially with the creamy. With this, you're wasting your money and your time. You're just not going to get that full ice cream experience. Too much advertising and overpaid. So the cheapest one loses and the most expensive one loses. These two reign supreme. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of honest reviews, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what kind of honest answer you're gonna see.